Another question that we have is how to increase cost efficiency in sampling. Now, increasing the cost efficiency in sampling, again, when not just in sampling, but increasing the cost efficiency of any process will actually first and foremost start with measuring the cost. So the idea is first to measure the cost. So that means, are we first of all aware that how much my sampling department is costing me? Now the first thing is to measure, and then the second step comes with management. So once we measure, then only whatever we measure we can manage. So the first thing is measure, and then second is to manage. Now the whole idea is that if we measure something and we do the analytics, and then we can say that okay, which is the area which is really costing me money, which is really being very, very expensive to me. So the whole idea is, and bringing the cost efficiency also means that we are producing more first time right samples. So everybody has to make a sample, the buyer needs the sample. But if we take into consideration the costing efficiency of the sampling, we have to ensure the right first time approach. So right first time means that whatever we produce first time, we don't have to repeat it, because the moment you repeat that means you are repeating all the costs associated with it as well. So the whole idea is first of all to monitor what is your first time pass rate of sampling. If you are monitoring that, let's say the first time pass rate is coming at the moment at 60%. So now you have to analyze the reasons for failure for the rest 40%. Now once you analyze the reasons for rest 40%, then you will come to know that okay, maybe it is because of workmanship, maybe it is because of fit, or it is because of measurements. What are the real challenges? It is because of washing department or something missed by that. So which process is the process where you have leakages to fix? So the whole idea is to do the analytics. Then you take up each area. As you take up each area, then everything sort of, each one of them becomes a project itself to take corrective actions in that area. So if it is a pattern related area, then that means our pattern master needs to be trained. There are certain communication gaps between the pattern master and the merchant and the buyer, which needs to be highlighted and understood and corrected upon, so that each area can get a better first time pass rate in the future. So that is how you increase the cost efficiency in the sampling. The other important aspect of cost efficiency is also standardizing the sample. So for example, standardizing means that let's say you are doing a shirt and your factory is doing a shirts or tops. So let's say in shirts and tops, if you standardize that I am going to do this 20 types of different collars. Now for those different collars, you have set methods, you have set profiles and everything else. So if you have standardized that means your quality is going to be better, and once you do the standardization, your cost is also going to reduce, because you already have prepared, you are following a set standard, and your factory has prepared everything around that standard. So the whole idea is not to do profile for every single style again. That means over a product range, within a product range, you can create standard, you can standardize the products. Once you standardize the product, your quality will become better, your method will become better, your cost efficiencies will automatically come. Of course, you have to measure each sampling process in order to become cost efficiency, because the cost efficiency of the workmanship again needs to be measured. So that is the first tool. As I said, the measuring part is the very important part as well.